Hey guys, I just wanted you to see how to use Jamboard. When you click on the link in Echo to go to the Jamboard, you're going to see something like this. You're going to look down here on the left-hand side. You're going to see a sticky note. No, I clicked on the wrong one. So right here's the sticky note. You can change the color of your sticky note, whatever color you'd like. I'm going to pick blue. I think that's a pretty color. I think school is important because it helps me grow. So you can't use this one. The other thing that I want to do is put down who I am. So first and last names, please. If you want to use your short name, like instead of Lexus, you want to use Lex, that's fine. But I don't want some crazy nickname here because then I don't know who it is. So I need first and last names here. And then I save, and then I'm going to cancel so I can take a look, and then I'm just going to move this. So that's what I have for that particular board. So school's important because, and we're going to add our little notes here, sticky notes. And then I want to know why math is important. So you want to create a sticky note for that. And then the last one is what do you need in order to be successful? What do you need to do? So that's another sticky note. So it's just a nice little message board for us to start a discussion, and then we'll talk about it on Tuesday. So that's part of what you need to do for me today. I'll be on Zoom pretty soon, so let me know if you need any help.